Let's get started. Find and name the jungle fellows. Were you able to find the monkey, the elephant, the giraffe, the koala bear, the gorilla, and the kangaroo? Good going! Come to next. Find and name the hilltop bunnies. Were you able to find the grizzly bear, the wolf, the golden eagle, the yak, and the kangaroo? Excellent then! Try next. Find and name the ranch mates. Did you come across the horse, the goat, the chicken, the duck, and the lamb? Superb! You too good. Try another one. Find and name the glacier den. Were you able to spot the leopard, the polar bear, the snow fox, the walrus, and the snow hare? If you could spot all, you are amazing. Let us move further. Find and name the sea squat. Did you have any luck finding the octopus, the seahorse, the crab, the starfish, and the jumping dolphin? If you were successful, you truly have amazing brain powers. More powers to you until we bring something more for you.